I got the big 22-inch rims, and it comes with these plastic inserts. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and install those. It's so funny, they just give it to you in a box and they want you to just do it yourself. So see, I scratched it a little bit already. This is the result. So yeah. What is up, guys? It's Chris, Everydaychris, and welcome back to another episode of Quick Tips with Chris. So today, we're gonna be quickly talking about the Model X and the 22-inch turbine wheels. As you can see, the wheels are looking sexy. Now I'm gonna do an updated video on how the 22-inch rims and wheels are with the range and how much it really affects it. But the point of this video is to kind of show you guys how I put on the wheel inserts. Now it's kind of ghetto because the wheel inserts actually come in a giant box. You're either gonna find it in your trunk wells, or even for me, it was in the frunk. Just make sure you ask them, hey, where are the wheel inserts? Are they there? These plastic wheel inserts only come with the 22-inch rims. And remember, that is a hefty upgrade. I believe it's like $5,000 to upgrade, and it does reduce your range a little bit. However, the point of the wheel inserts is to improve aerodynamics. As you can see, Tesla does a great job of trying to make the rim in line with the tire. It's a bad thing because it becomes a curb magnet, which is why on my Model Y I have a lower offset, so the rim kind of goes a little bit more, so you get kind of more protection. You get a little bit of protection here with the tire, which is a good thing. However, just be careful. Now I have my 22-inch rims with the wheel inserts on. It was super annoying to put on. There's different sizes. I'm gonna go ahead and go over all that with you. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the wheel inserts. Now, it's kind of sucks because if you ever want to put more air in your tires, you're gonna have to take it out. So we're gonna go ahead and take out this one first. The easiest way, put your hand into a cup and pull straight out. And there it is, it comes out right there. So there's one of them. We're gonna take all of them out. You know, people are saying it scratches your rims. I haven't had any scratches because the piece that kind of touches it is plastic and this whole piece is metal. So I would say it does not scratch your rims unless you're putting it on incorrectly. But what they don't tell you is there's so many different sizes. So for instance, already we have 3 different sizes here, and it takes 2 hands sometimes to do this. God, as it can just really be jammed in there. Now I did a quick poll on my Instagram, so go ahead and follow me, Everydaychris, to see and asked all my viewers which one they liked more. So see, I scratched it a little bit already. So just be careful. Everyone said they like it with it on because it just looks weird with it off because there's these gaps here. So it looks like you remove something from it, so it just looks weird. So I got them all off. It takes 2 hands, that way you can kind of hold one with the other so it doesn't fall on the floor. The beauty with this is because it's plastic, you can easily just get a Sharpie, and if you do damage it, you can just Sharpie it in. No one's ever gonna tell the difference. I mean, what do you guys think? I really liked the 22-inch turbine wheels way back when on the older Model X's. But I mean, I'm really starting to feel and like these ones. So here's how it looks with it off. And here's how it looks like with it on. Now on the Tesla website, when you are ordering the Tesla Model X with the 22-inch turbine wheels, it shows the image with the wheel cap covers on. And at first I really liked it with it off. However, ever since I had it on, I don't know, it just looks more complete. It does make the rims look a little bit smaller, which kind of removes that effect of the big wheels, but it looks really cool. As you can see, there's a lot of holes. Holes reduce efficiency. However, when you come back here, you got the air coming here, and at least this provides more aerodynamics. So again, here it is with it off, and here it is with it on. Now again, like I said before, it's really annoying to put on and take off. So if you keep it on, just keep it on. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you, it's not that difficult. Some parts do take 2 hands, however, you can get it in. You just have to make sure the size is perfect. I will do an updated review though. I'm gonna have to drive the car at least 1,000 miles with the covers on. Then I'm gonna drive it with it off because it really makes a difference on long road trips. Now, as you can see, there are different parts. It takes a total of 10 pieces for the covers. So the big ones are the easiest, the small ones are the hardest. Now I didn't scratch anything. This is just from dirty tires, so it doesn't really scratch the wheels, as you can see there. So let's go ahead and do this. So first we go ahead and grab it. We check to see, okay, it's good, this is the size. Now what I like to do is I like to put this piece on the palm of my hand like so. And then you're just going to put one side in. So if you look, it's like a clip thing. I don't know why it doesn't come with it like this so people don't have to deal with it. But you do one side here, push one side in, and then you're gonna push the other side in after. So here, I'm sorry, it's really hard to do with one hand. There we go, there. And it just snaps on, and it's very tight. It's a tight fit. Now when I was doing it, sometimes these metal clips came off. So just make sure you put those metal clips on because it just provides more protection. But as you can see, it is on. It only took me like 15 minutes, I think, to put it all on. The hardest part again was the small ones. They don't give you any instructions either, which is great. Classic Tesla. Line it up. And then there, done. And then it snaps on. So there you go. Do this after you wash your car because it makes your hands filthy. So yes, I am making a Model X delivery day video. So make sure you guys watch that because it's very important to ask for that when you're taking delivery. Don't just go in there and say, oh, I got the car, thanks a lot. Because a lot of times it's a big hassle to do all these things after you accept delivery. So when you can, do it before you accept delivery and during inspection. And again, I'm gonna detail all this in my Model X delivery day video. One finger in and one finger out. And then use your palm to just push it in. Now you may have some issues with some of them, but don't get frustrated. Just set it down and move on to the other tire because sometimes you just need to change it up because I know how frustrating these things can be. But yeah, this is the small one again. So here, this is what I do. I grab it like this and I put another hand on the other side so it doesn't fall because sometimes it doesn't do it. I don't want it to fall on the ground. And then there. So you're kind of going like this. Done. There, see? Line it up with the tire pressure gauge. And then done. Done. Got my Oura ring there, all scratched up from the gym. One last thing I do want to say, after you put the covers on, just make sure they're on properly. So yeah, just make sure it's on snug. Just kind of give it a quick shake. Got the Tesla black brake caliper. I didn't even know they painted it black, but I probably will paint that a different color later. This car is just so factory fresh. No ceramic coating, no nothing on it. Kind of disappointed with the headlights, but I'll talk about that later. Anyways, guys, hope that video helped you, and I'll see you guys next time.